Dropshipping is not dead. Print on demand isn't either. But in 2025, they've evolved fast. The question isn't whether e-commerce still works, it's whether you're adapting to the new rules. In this video, we're breaking down the future of dropshipping, print on demand, and e-com, and how you can still win. In 2025, the e-commerce market is projected to hit over $7 trillion globally. But competition is fierce, with AI automating everything from ads to customer service, and social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram becoming full-on marketplaces. The old strategies are becoming obsolete. Forget those generic AliExpress stores with 30-day shipping. In 2025, winning dropshippers are focusing on private labeling for brand trust, faster fulfillment, using US/EU suppliers, TikTok-first product launches, AI-powered product research. Tools like Dropship.io and AliHunter now scan winning products in real time, and TikTok ads with user-generated content outperform traditional Facebook ad creatives. Print on demand has exploded in 2025 thanks to creative automation. With AI design tools like Kittle, Canva AI, and Midjourney, even non-designers can create viral merch in minutes. From meme t-shirts to niche hoodies to AI-generated art posters, everything is made to order with zero inventory. Printify and Gelato now offer same-week delivery in 30-plus countries. AI isn't just a tool, it's your new co-founder. Here's how the best are using it. ChatGPT for writing SEO product descriptions and emails. Suno AI for background music and product videos. Runway ML to generate product videos with no filming. Notion AI for business planning and SOPs. Smart e-com entrepreneurs now automate customer support, design, marketing, and even product testing. In 2025, these three models are crushing it. 1. Branded dropshipping. Looks like a real brand. Fast shipping, better margins. 2. Niche print on demand. Stick to one niche. Dogs, anime, fitness, and dominate. 3. Hybrid stores. Offer digital plus physical products, e.g., templates plus shirts. It's not about spamming products, it's about crafting an offer people can't scroll past. Shopify is still king, but Etsy is booming for print on demand. And TikTok Shop? It's now a major player in dropshipping, with instant reach to millions. You can go viral in hours, with the right video and the right hook. Here's the Grind Mind daily strategy. Keep your store clean and fast. Use AI to design, write, and market. Test 3 to 5 products per week. Build a niche audience, not just a store. Create short-form content consistently. Most people quit. Winners test, learn, and pivot fast. The future of e-com isn't about getting rich quick. It's about staying ahead, using tools smartly, and building real value. Dropshipping and POD aren't dead. They've just leveled up. Are you ready to adapt? Subscribe to Grind Mind Daily for weekly deep dives into future-proof online business strategies. Let's build something that lasts.